going to talk about a top-down analysis on GBP USD. I'm going to be explaining my point of view on how I see the market and how I expect the market to act in the coming days. So we'll get down to it right now. All right. So all right. First of all, we're starting from the monthly time frame. So as you guys can see, the monthly time frame, you can see that the market is bullish overall. We check the monthly time frame, you can see that the market is making a series of higher highs and higher lows. You see, the market is making a series of higher highs and higher lows. You know, the market is breaking structure on the monthly time frame. You can see the market is breaking structure on the monthly time frame. So the market is making a series of highs and lows on the monthly time frame now that we're focused about, because I'm talking about the top down analysis. So as you can see, the market is making a series of higher highs and higher lows. So we're expecting the market to come down to here as it has retraced and at least make the effort to push upward a bit. So that's on the monthly time frame now. We're looking at the bias on the monthly time frame. So now we are now coming down to look at individual candlesticks and see how we can analyze each candlestick altogether. So we'll start from the monthly time frame. As you can see, the market has taken out this low on the monthly time frame. It has formed a CRT, a bullish CRT, a bullish CRT. So this CRT is responsible for the upward movement of this. All right, this CRT is responsible for the upward movement of this. So right now, if you check this market now, the market has taken out the high of this candle. The market has taken out the high of this candle. So the CRT as it is complete. The market has taken out the high of this candle. So the CRT like this is complete. So right now, what do we expect on the candle? Because this is a new month. This is a new month. So we're expecting the market to make some retracement. So right now on the monthly time frame now, we can see a key level, a very strong key level that the market will react from. All right, we can see a strong key level. I can see a very strong key level that we're expecting the market to react from. Key level. All right, so we're expecting a very strong key level, expecting the market to come somewhere here and react from the key level and move forward. So we're expecting that on the monthly time frame right now. So I'll be going to the weekly time frame right now. I'm going to the weekly time frame, and now I would like to see what the market is showing us on the weekly time frame. All right, on the weekly time frame now. On the weekly time frame now, we have seen a kind of a retracement. We have seen a kind of retracement to this key level. But right now I'm looking at the structure of this market. I'm looking at the structure of the market right now. So we'll start to look at the structure of this market. So for now, we can see how the market has formed a form of has broken the low of this structure, and we can see something else here. We can see a liquidity sweep just above this candle. You can see a liquidity sweep as the market has broken above this thing. So we can also see a key level just above, just just below the liquidity sweep. All right, so we can also see a key level right now just above the liquidity sweep. So right now, if you look at this thing now, if we take a look at at the the line chart now, we will explain this in better with line chart. Now if you look at the line chart now, if you look at the line chart now, we can see the market is going like this. I'm talking about the market structure now. The market now, you can see the market structure of the market is going down like this. It's retracing, you understand, it's retracing on the line chart now. So right now we're expecting a deeper retracement to somewhere like this, then before we see something like this, then before the monthly structure kicks in. So right now, if you look at the weekly time frame right now, all right, I can see a liquidity sweep. I can see a liquidity sweep. You know, a liquidity sweep shows that this is a strong high. All right, a liquidity sweep means that this high is a strong high. All right, so right now, and we can also see the strong POI here. We can also see the strong POI here. All right, we can also see the strong POI. So we are expecting the market to take out this high and tap into this POI. Then we can see any form of retracement in the future. All right, but right now our main focus is the market tapping on this POI. So now we'll drop to the daily time frame. Now I will show you what is happening on daily time frame. So right now, good. Now on daily time frame now, on daily time frame we can also see the whole thing. We can also coming up in the right way. All right, now on the daily time frame now, I will show you concern on daily time frame now, because we are focusing right now on the current market action, on the current price action. Sorry, we are focusing on the current price action. So right now, you have to understand the market moves from ERL to IRL. The market moves from external range liquidity to internal range liquidity. So if you go on YouTube, you understand better. But right now, you can see that on the 8 time frame now, market has taken the low of this candle and formed a CRT. You can see has taken the low of this candle. All right, and we can see everything as the market has taken out the low of this candle. All right, so right now we are just waiting for the network to correct, and we will continue. All right, so right now, what can we see on daily time frame right now? On daily time frame, I see that the market has taken out the low of this candle and formed a CRT, a daily C. The market has formed a daily CRT, right? The market has formed a daily CRT. Market has formed a daily CRT. So right now, and this candle right now tapped on the P on this key level. This the low of this candle tapped on this key level. So right now, this key level will now be our POI. So I'm trying to validate my buys right now. I'm trying to validate the buys and why I feel that GBP will buy throughout the month of January. So right now, you can see the POI. All right, you can see the POI. You can see the POI. So the market will respect this thing and go up like this to validate our buys as we discussed. All right, our buys. So on daily time frame now, we are looking for buys on daily time frame. Don't forget that the weekly time frame is showing buys. Why? Because we must go to the POI. We must attract this POI here. We must attract this POI. We must attract this POI here. We must attract this POI here on the weekly time frame. So that POI is our draw on liquidity. So, but on the daily time frame right now, the market has taken out the internal range of liquidity and tapped on the POI and formed a daily CRT. When the market forms daily CRT, don't underrate that setup. The setup is always very, very effective. Alright. So right now we'll be going to the 4-hour time frame right now. We'll go to the 4-hour time frame and see what the market has for us on the 4-hour time frame. Good. So this is the POI of daily time frame. So right now, what can we see on daily time frame right now? We can see what go to the now. We will see what we call a breakout. Or daily time frame, we will see what we call a breakout. All right, have we seen the breakout? Have you seen the breakout? All right, have we seen the breakout? Good. So on the 4-hour time frame right now, we can see the breakout on the 4-hour time frame. We can see the breakout on the 4-hour time frame. All right. So right now on the 4-hour time frame now we can see the breakout. So right now on this breakout right now they have confirmed the buys that the buy of this like the buy movement of this market is very strong. So what we're expecting now is the market to come somewhere here, then it pushes up. Very simple. All we expect right now is the market to come down to that level and push up. So on the 4-hour time frame now, if we change it back to the candlesticks, we can see the breakout. All right. So right now, if we move to the 1-hour time frame, because the 1-hour time frame is our entry time frame. 1-hour entry time frame. All right. So what are we expecting on the 1-hour time frame right now? So if you take a look at this on the 1-hour time frame now, you will see something very interesting. Bam! You've seen something right now. We can see the breakout on the 1-hour time. You can see another breakout on the 1-hour time frame. You can see another breakout on the 1-hour time frame. You can see another breakout on the 1-hour time frame. So what am I expecting right now? On the 1-hour, what am I expecting on the 1-hour time frame? I'm expecting the market to do like this on the 1-hour time frame. The market can also retrace a bit higher a bit, then come down here to somewhere here, then it can push up more. Yeah, I'm expecting that on the 1-hour time frame. I'm expecting that on the 1-hour time frame. All right. I'm expecting that all the 4 hour time frame right now, the 4 hour time frame, this candle can close a bit like this. If this 4 hour candle closes bearish like this, then we can expect then we can expect this then we can expect this level to hold. We can expect this level to hold if this candle closes bearish. We can expect this candle to hold. So from there now we will now hold our buys straight up. I don't know if you guys can understand what I'm trying to say right now. Although I will drop the screenshot on of each and every setup on the group, but I just want you guys to take a look at this and watch this video from the beginning so you understand my outline of how I do my top-down analysis from the monthly time frame down to the 4 hour time frame. So we hope to see this trade play out, and I'll be taking this trade too. I'll be taking this trade with every one of you all. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.